Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something super exciting in the Delaverse Playground, building your very own proposal generation AI agent. Imagine having an AI sidekick that crafts professional proposals in minutes, pulling from your templates and data to wow your clients. It's a game changer for sales teams, freelancers, or anyone who spends hours on proposals. Let's build it step by step and see how it can save you time and boost your productivity. Why this AI agent rocks. This workflow turns tedious proposal writing into an automated magic trick. It grabs your past templates, analyzes client needs, and spits out polished documents ready to send. No more blank page staring, just smart, tailored proposals that help you close deals faster and impress everyone. Plus, it integrates with your favorite tools like Google Docs and Telegram for seamless sharing. Getting started, access the Playground. Head over to playground.delaverse.ai and log into your account. Once you're in, click on Create New Project and name it something fun like AI Proposal Wizard. Boom, you're set up in seconds. It's as easy as starting a new doc, but way more powerful. Breaking down the magic, key components. Let's build this agent together by adding the essential pieces. First, bring in your data sources. Drop in a Google Docs node to pull proposal templates or reference materials straight from your cloud storage. Or, if you prefer local files like old case studies, use the file database node. It's like giving your AI a personal library of winning content. Next, connect that data to the heart of the operation, the AI assistant node. Link your sources here, so the AI has all the info it needs. Now, configure the AI assistant. Pick a smart model like OpenAI and give it clear instructions. Tell it to analyze client requirements, craft compelling value propositions, and build persuasive narratives. It's like directing a talented writer. For outputs, hook up a Google Docs Write node to create and save the final proposal document. Add a Telegram node too, so you get instant notifications when it's ready. No more checking tabs endlessly. Finally, add a trigger node to make it all automatic. Set it to run on a schedule or when a new request pops in, turning one-off tasks into a hands-off system. Connect everything in a simple flow. Data sources feed the AI, which generates the proposal and sends it to Google Docs and Telegram. Easy peasy. Keeping tabs. Monitoring your workflow. Delaverse makes it simple to track how your agent is performing. Jump into the dashboard after a run to see logs, execution times, and any tweaks needed. It's like having a progress report that shows you exactly what's working. No guesswork, just clear insights to refine and improve. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? Dive deeper into the AI instructions for super specific customizations, like tailoring tone for different industries. Add more data sources for richer context, or integrate extra notifications, maybe email alerts too. Experiment in the Playground. It's forgiving and fun. For advanced analysis, check your profile's usage stats to see how many proposals you've generated and optimize costs. Wrap up. Level up your proposals with Delaverse. There you have it. Your personal proposal generation AI agent is ready to roll. This workflow empowers you to create professional docs effortlessly, track everything transparently, and focus on what you love, winning business. Head to the Playground today, build yours, and watch your efficiency soar. Share your success stories in the community. Let's inspire each other.